Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some egg fried rice. So in my bowl right there, I've got 2 cups of basmati plain rice. And guys, as you can see, it is nice and shelly. It is so perfect. Guys, use whatever rice you have, okay? So in my bowl right there, I've got at least 6 eggs, okay? So in my bowl right there, guys, I've got at least half cup of mixed vegetable, and I'm also gonna add some spring onions. And as you can see, guys, that's the amount that I'm using, okay? And I'm also gonna add just half of onion, okay? And as you can see, I cut it up. So these are my rest of my ingredients. Here I have 1 spoonful of granulated sugar, and I also have 3 spoonful of dark soya sauce, and these are all of my seasoning. I've got 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. So here I have a pot on the stove, guys, and to my pot I add at least 3 spoonful of vegetable oil. So now I've got my egg right there, and I'm just mixing it just a bit. So guys, make sure your stove is on a medium heat. You don't want to turn it up too much. So now, as you can see, I'm just gonna add my eggs to my pot. Just make sure, guys, your oil is hot before you add your eggs, okay? So to my eggs, I'm just gonna add just a pinch of salt, and I'm also gonna add just a pinch of black pepper, okay? So after I add my salt and my black pepper, I'm just gonna take my fork and just move my eggs around like I'm scrambling it basically. Just take your time, okay? So that's what it's look like. That's exactly all you want your eggs to be, guys. That's so perfect. It's not burned, it's just so good to go. So as you can see, I'm just gonna remove it as soon as possible because I don't want it to burn. So guys, I use the same pot that I used to fry my egg, and as you can see, some more oil leave back. So now I'm just gonna add my onions and my spring onions, and I also add, guys, some garlic. I add 3 cloves of garlic. Okay, you just wanna allow it, guys, to saute for at least 1 minute. So after 1 minute or so, now I'm gonna add all of my mixed vegetable, and you're just gonna give it a stir, guys, so all the onions, the spring onions and the garlic will all combine together. Okay, so just to get the flavor popping, I'm gonna add some of my seasoning. I'm gonna add some of my Cajun seasoning, my garlic powder, and my black pepper, just a bit. Then you just wanna stir it, and you're just gonna allow it, guys, to saute for at least 1 minute. Okay, just make sure your stove is on a medium to high heat, but not too high. So after around a minute or just over a minute, that's what it look like. So guys, now I'm just gonna stir it just a bit, then I'm just gonna add my rice. Okay, just take your time and just add it. So now that I had my rice, I'm just gonna take my large spoon and just mix it all together, so all that mixed vegetable will all blend into the rice. Okay, I'm telling you, it looks so good already, and it's not even finished. So now I'm just gonna add my dark soya sauce. So after you add it, you just wanna give it a stir. So what I did, I make a hole in the middle of my rice there, and I just add at least 1 to 2 spoonful of vegetable oil. So now guys, I'm just gonna add my remaining seasoning. Okay, so after you add your seasoning, you just want to make sure you stir it, guys, so everything will all combine. So now I'm just gonna add my granulated sugar, and you just want to stir it also. Okay, and you can always taste to your liking. And guys, remember, if your rice need any more dark soya sauce, you can always add more to it. Okay, or if you don't have any dark soya sauce, you can always use browning also. So now I'm just gonna add all of my eggs. So after you add your eggs, you just want to stir it. Just take your time. And guys, I'm telling you, it looks so yummy. You could see all that steam coming right out of the rice. Yeah. So guys, this is just a simple homemade egg fried rice. Okay, you can always make it for your families, for your friends, and all of your loved one, and it tastes amazing. Honestly, it was absolutely delicious. My husband said it was so good. I normally would want my egg fried rice or any fried rice that I'm cooking to be more darker, you know? But as I said, I just keep it simple. Yeah. So just to finish it off, guys, I'm just gonna add some spring onions, and you just wanna stir it just a bit. So guys, you just wanna leave it just on a high heat for at least 3 minutes or so. But you just wanna continue to stir it, okay? Because you don't want it to stick. So my egg fried rice is all finished, and that's what it look like. Guys, I'm telling you, it came up perfect, just perfect. I'm just gonna plate it up for you guys and show you how it looks on the plate. So stay tuned. So now I'm just plating up my egg fried rice. Guys, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your families, with your friends, and all over on your social media. I will really appreciate it. And if you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can receive more delicious video like these. And hit your notification button, guys, for whenever I upload a video, you will be the first to see it, okay? So my egg fried rice is all plated up, and I just garnish it with some spring onions. So that's what it look like. I'm just gonna taste some of it for you guys, and I'm telling you, it was absolutely delicious. This recipe is a must try. If you try this recipe, guys, please comment below and tell me what it's like, okay? I thank you all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye, guys. Love you, mama. Until next time. Bye.